Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best Android emulators for Linux that you can use for app testing, gaming, and running Android apps on your computer. Let's get started. First up is Waydroid. Waydroid is one of the best Android solutions for Linux. It runs Android in a container instead of a traditional emulator, delivering excellent performance and near native speed. It's perfect for everyday Android apps and games. Next is Android Studio Emulator. The Android Studio Emulator is Google's official Android emulator. It's mainly designed for developers who want to test Android apps on different virtual devices and Android versions. Third is Genymotion. Genymotion is a powerful Android emulator, popular among developers. It offers multiple virtual devices, advanced testing tools, and excellent performance for app development. Fourth on the list is Anbox. Anbox lets you run Android apps on Linux inside a containerized environment. Although it's no longer actively developed, it's still used by many Linux users for running basic Android apps. And last is QEMU with Android x86. QEMU lets you create a virtual machine and install Android x86. It gives you a complete Android experience and works well if you want full control over your virtual Android system. Now, here's something important. If your goal is gaming or everyday Android apps, Waydroid is usually the best choice. If you're developing Android apps, Android Studio Emulator or Genymotion will give you the best testing tools. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.